DEUS asked to see my papers.
Fuck. Not much I can do about state police after yesterday's attack. Get in when you can. Miller out.
Join with the machine, and the future is ours.
I can't take the attacks.
Biocells, painkillers, right over there.
Whatever you need. Credits up front.
I'm good for now.
Fuck off then. Next time, maybe not fuck off.
In our
DEUS is the man.
our
He'll set you up.
body lies our salvation. We carry the seed of divinity within us.
How did it ever
Use
come
it
to
for
this?
the seal of true faith. Do you despair for your future? Do you search for something?
Что? Must be nothing.
Adam, what's going on? I didn't expect to hear from you.
I didn't expect my doctor to find dormant augs hidden in my system.
What?
Dormant experimental augs. You wouldn't know anything about that, would you?
Adam, you know the decisions I made for you 2 years ago.
Yes or no?
No! All the work we did on you was above board. You have my word on that. What exactly did you find?
Experimental test augs spliced into my system. Kohler said something about a neodymium shell. Who would have designed something like that?
God, you've got a Titan Og? It's impossible. It was just a concept.
You just said this wasn't you.
It wasn't. The DoD showed me schematics 3 years ago and asked me if I thought it could work. It was designed by somebody else, Vadim Orlov. Megan and I interviewed him once, but he wouldn't have fit in.
Orlov? Sounds Russian. Who is he? Why wouldn't he have fit in?
He was supposed to be a boy wonder, neuroscience prodigy, but his master's degree in Moscow, post-grad in the US. His grades were off the chart, but his theories were sketchy at times. Megan said his ethics were questionable.
Megan? Megan Reed said that? The woman who gave you my DNA to experiment with?
We didn't hire him, Adam. 2 minutes into the